Well, hello there. It has been a long time since I've done a video. Just been busy with work, and here in mid-Michigan, the weather has been kind of not that good this summer. It's either been 98 and super muggy, or we just keep getting torrential downpours of 2, 3, 4 inches of rain over a couple of days. I'm showing you right now, this is our side field. I don't own that pole barn. I own up to like 2 feet, 3 feet of that fence. But when we bought this, there's a low spot. And this has been multiple times now since the spring, because every time it rains, and like so far this week, we've gotten literally 3 inches of rain, and it just comes down in buckets. So my next project is, I was hoping to do this in October, might have to be November. I'm gonna dig a small trench out to the road, just like I've kind of done here for the sump pump. The sump pump drains. I gotta take a weed whacker now and clean this out, but I just edged all this out all last week because it was overgrown and falling in on itself. But I need to come up with a better solution for drainage, because the sump pump drains and all of this is draining very good. I don't know if you can see some water's moving, or the water's moving there, but it just goes out. This is what and the previous owners did this. We've lived here for 5 years, and it just goes out into muck, you know, and another 10 feet past that water, where the water edge is, another 10 feet going that way, it's wet and soft. And then maybe I can do 2x. It's wet and muddy there from all that rain. Let me zoom back out, you know, and here, let me see if we walk out here in this little bit. I mean, we have gotten just so much rain this summer. I mean, every time it's 2, 3, 4 inches at a time. And every time this starts to dry out, but there's not standing water, 4 days later, we get Noah's Ark again. So anyway, so that's my goal, is to build is to run just a trench out to the road there, and to try and take care of that, because this is just, I don't know how the previous people did this for 50 years. They just tolerated this, I guess. But anyways, I've been watching more and more YouTube channels over time. Here's some little trees we planted. Tractor Time with Tim, Good Works Tractors, Rock Hill Farms. That guy is good. He's giving me inspiration. I need to get off my rear end and start making some more videos. Got a low area there I need to do something with. I need to start making some more videos though. But again, the whole field is just too wet to get my tractor out here. I'll make massive ruts and everything, and I'm not ready to brush hog it. I like to brush hog it, I guess, early November, one last time before winter. So anyways, this is our yard, and we own to those 2 big pine trees, to that property line there south. Well, I'm sorry, that's facing north. This is looking direct west, and to that little scrub line of brush there. The other side is a farmer's field. We own 6 acres here. But anyways, I just wanted to say, I haven't forgotten about YouTube. Haven't forgotten about making some videos. I don't think anybody wants to see me make a video of me just in my pole barn walking on my tractor or gator. My zero turn is filthy right now. I don't think anybody wants to see a video of that getting power washed. So I'm gonna see if I can mow this afternoon a little bit. I did a walk around. It's squishy at the back end here. I think I'm gonna wait and mow tomorrow late afternoon. We're supposed to get rain again. It's Wednesday right now, about 2 o'clock. We're supposed to get rain around Thursday, 7 p.m. up through Saturday again. So it's tough here in mid-Michigan. It's about 65. The sun was supposed to come out, but instead we just have gray and everything. So anyways, haven't forgotten about YouTube channel. Been watching everybody, doing likes, subscribed, getting inspiration from everybody else. The Hardy Brothers Outdoor channel is really good, and I think all you other guys that do these videos every couple of days, that's just a lot of work, a lot of video editing. So I want to get better with that. Winter's around the corner. So anyways, as usual, thanks for watching. Give me some comments, and try and do a video pretty soon where I'm actually doing something for a change, not just of a muddy field. Although I am outstanding in my field right now. Thanks. Bye.